Welcome back to Dad Deals. Today is the start of Amazon's Prime Day 2026. Prime Day is a massive sale across Amazon's entire site where they encourage all of their sellers to give the best deals all year long. And most of these deals are exclusive to Amazon Prime members. So if you are one of those Amazon Prime members, you're going to want to pay attention. You can really score some killer deals during this sale and during this time. So that's what this video is for. I'm going to help you navigate all the deals, especially geared towards dads. So tools, outdoor items, home improvement stuff. I'll have all of the best deals in this video. So just sit back, relax, and let's check it out. Now, just quickly before we get started, I do use affiliate links where I do earn a small commission if you decide to click through those links. And as I do during all of these Amazon sales, I actually have a storefront page and you can scan the QR code right here that takes you directly to it. But what this allows me to do is have one place where I can put all of these deals as they go live. I can remove the ones that have expired. So this is a great page to bookmark, check throughout the day. I will be updating this hourly throughout the entire event. All right, let's get on to the deals. And the first brand we're going to talk about is Ego. They have a lot of great deals going on this Prime Day, starting with this fan. This is their 10-inch oscillating misting fan. This thing is awesome. I've had it for a long time. It sits directly on top of a 5-gallon bucket, so it can pull from that water from the bucket. You can also hook it to a garden hose. It is even app controlled, so you can change the oscillation, the amount of mist that's putting out all through an app via Bluetooth. And this is 15% off right now at $169. Also from Ego, they have this great combo kit. You're getting this string trimmer. This is the 15-inch string trimmer with the power load feature that's going to wind your string automatically, which is really nice. You're also getting the 670 CFM leaf blower, which is just a great mid-level of that Ego line of leaf blowers. And then you're getting a 4 amp hour battery and charger, all for $300. If you need a new lawnmower, they also have the Ego self-propelled touch drive mower. This is going to also come with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a rapid charger, so you can charge those batteries up really quickly. And this is almost half off right now at $400. If you just need a leaf blower, here's their 650 CFM version that's going to come with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. That is key here. That really makes this a killer deal. This is $200. And then the very popular Ego light. This thing's pretty cool. It's a 4-panel light. You can adjust it in a lot of different ways. Also folds up super compactly. Now, this is tool only, does not come with any batteries or chargers, but this is $113. And then not the best deal in the world. This is the Ego pressure washer, the compact pressure washer. I have this thing. I did a whole review video on it. I love it. It's super convenient to do car washes, especially if you're away from home. You can actually siphon water out of a 5-gallon bucket. But this does come with a 6 amp hour battery and charger. It is $450, so 10% off. Not the biggest discount in the world, but anything helps. All right, next up, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, and that is Wolfbox. Now, I was first introduced to these guys with their compressed air battery-powered dusters. These things are incredible if you haven't tried one. They are extremely powerful and are great for just a ton of different tasks. I use mine to spray out water lines, like with my kids' jumpers. You can use them to clean air filters, like car air filters. It's great for that. And you can even use them just to clean up your shop. It is that powerful. But they're having a huge Prime Day sale across all their products. So those air dusters, here's kind of their basic version, is on sale for $30.39. And this is their new upgraded version that has the detachable batteries, which is really nice. So you could have multiple batteries, charge them separately from the device. But that one is $85. And then they also make some incredible jump starters that also have air compressors built into them. These are really well made. I've actually recently been testing a lot of these, and this is definitely one of my top rated jump starters / air compressors, especially when it comes to build quality. But this is on sale for $126 for their 4,000 amp jump starter. But Wolfbox actually sent me an extra 10% off promo code. So check the description below and you can get an extra 10% off all of these rock bottom Prime Day prices. So thank you so much for Wolfbox for sponsoring this video. And now back to the deals. All right, next up we have the Leatherman 19-in-1 everyday carry multi-tool. Obviously one of the top brands when it comes to these, really the inventor of this tool. But this is 40% off at $120. These battery daddies are really nice. You can actually see here, I've had mine since 2022 and I use it all the time, but this is all the way down to just 15 bucks. The Craig Jig pocket hole system is on sale for $69. When I first got into woodworking, this is what I used primarily, and it made wood joinery a lot easier and simpler, especially when I was getting started, but I still use mine today. This is a great jig from Craig. It's definitely that time of year where the flies and the mosquitoes and the gnats are all over the place. And one of these magnetic screen doors is great. You can use it as a doggy door. You can use it with your kids. They don't have to remember to close the door behind them. It magnetically shuts automatically. They're super easy to install, and it's just $8.95 right now. Some portable speakers. Probably the name brand when it comes to these is JBL. This is the JBL Extreme 3. This is IP67 waterproof, gives 15 hours of playtime, and you can also pair multiple of these speakers to give you sort of a surround effect. This is on sale for $200. And if you're looking for a little bit more budget option, I highly recommend the Soundcore brand. This is made by Anchor, if you're familiar with them. But I think their stuff sounds amazing, especially for the price. This is their Boom 2 outdoor speaker. It's IPX7 waterproof, has some fun lights to it, and this is $85. Kind of a Father's Day leftover item here, but at a great price. This is the Chemical Guys 14-piece car wash kit. You're getting a bucket, even that dirt separator for the bucket, a car wash mitt, a lot of their popular products, even a foam cannon's in there. But this is 40% off at just $75. All right, next up, we have probably the best budget table saw you can possibly buy. This has been the top rated one in that budget category or even mid-level category for a long time. This is the Skill 15 amp compact job site table saw. And this is $200, probably the cheapest you will ever get into a table saw without just getting something really junky. Next up, a super popular time this time of year, Prime Day. You see this a lot of times on these Prime Day sales. This is the Works Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. It's great if you're running out of room in your garage or shop, can fold up out of the way. Also has 2 built-in squeeze clamps, and this is $104. This meat thermometer is a great price. This is from Temp Pro. Has your digital readout. Nothing too fancy here, but a great price at just $8. Some robot lawnmowers on sale. I still love mine. I did a review video a couple years ago, and it saves me so much time cutting my grass. I have seriously not cut my grass with a traditional lawnmower in about 2 years. Now, I have the Segway Navimo. Here's their brand new X430 on a Prime Day discount of 18% off. Now, this is pretty expensive at $2,350. The version that I have is this I-Series one. Now, this is the new version that will map itself, and you're also getting the garage, which is a really nice add-on, going to protect it from the elements while it's charging. Also give it some shade if you're in a very sunny spot so it doesn't overheat. But this is on sale for $1,200. And then I'm not super familiar with this EcoVax model, but this is their EcoVax Goat. And this is a lot cheaper though at $664. But these robot mowers are awesome. All right, next up, it is hurricane season over here on the East Coast. Here's a nice tri-fuel generator from Champion. This is a 15,000 watt generator, can be fueled with gasoline, natural gas, or propane, which is really nice to have all three of those options in an emergency situation. But this is 30% off right now at $1,820. Craftsman also has a lot of great deals going on during Prime Day. Here's their air compressor. This is a very portable version, runs off those V20 batteries, and this is $33. I love these Klein Tools flip sockets. Here's a nice set. They're impact rated, and it's $50. This is a very convenient item to have. This is the Skill rechargeable screwdriver that has the pivoting head to it. It also has different torque settings, which is really nice. You rarely see that in these battery-powered screwdrivers. You also get a nice carry case with this. This is $30. When it comes to smart home and smart outlets especially, I really like the TP-Link Casa brand. I think their app is really easy to use, and I think the connections are almost always reliable. Here's their Smart Plug Power Strip. So you get 8 outlets and 3 USB-A ports. You don't need a hub or anything like that, and this is $38. They also have these smart outlets. Now, the nice thing about these is they are now upgraded to support Matter. And if you're not familiar with that, that is just a new protocol. Kind of helps all of your smart home devices talk to each other. So if you like integrating these with other brands' products, definitely make sure it has that Matter support. This is a 3-pack, and they're on sale for $20. Some garage doors, if you need to upgrade there, here's the Genie Belt Drive Quiet Lift Connect garage door opener. You're getting the keypad, 2 remotes, the wall switch, all for $200. And this is your 3/4 horsepower version. Chamberlain has their belt drive garage door opener. Now this is 1.25 horsepower. Also has a battery backup. Now you don't get the keypad here, but this is $373. Probably the best upgrade that you can possibly make to your bathroom for under $50 is one of these bidets. They're super easy to install and they might change your life. But this is $47.57. Some more Craftsman deals. Here's the V20 Impact Wrench. The brushless version here, the 1/2-inch drive. You're getting a 4 amp hour battery and charger in a case for $169. They also have a nice step ladder here on sale for almost half off at just under $48. Dremel has a good deal on this kit. You get a case. This is their corded version that has the LED light, which is nice. You also get a bunch of the starter accessories and even a lot of the adapters here, which is nice. This is $89.10. Now, I recently did a video on these Govee permanent outdoor lights. I love them. If you've ever been interested in installing these, it's a great time to pick these up. This is the all-time low price that they will go. And like I said in that video, I prefer to install them at a slower pace and warmer weather, which that's what this time of year is, as opposed to trying to rush to do them around Thanksgiving time and all the busyness and unpredictable weather that brings. But you can also get the string lights here at a great price at $100. These really just can go a long way at changing the mood of a back deck or patio. Nice fan here. This is the DeWalt 20-inch high velocity fan, and this is 15% off at $119. You also have the random orbital sander battery powered from DeWalt with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for $129. You have the DeWalt shop vac here, battery powered as well for $119. Your drill bit set, titanium nitride version, a great all-purpose bit for $23. This is a really nice price on this mechanics tool set from DeWalt. This is a 192-piece set with a hard case for $156. That's almost half off the normal price. You also have this 2-drill combo kit here. You're getting the drill and the impact driver, 2 batteries, a charger, and a case for $126. Back to some Craftsman deals. We have their brad nailers, the V20 brad nailer at a great price at just $99. You have the Craftsman job site fan here at just $49 is a great price. Here's their trade stack system. This is sort of their pro level version of their modular toolboxes. You get the starter tower here at $159. If you're into making some frozen drinks during this hot summertime, check out the Ninja Slushie at almost half off the normal price at $200. And an item that I think everyone should have, if you have any pets or kids, or even if you don't, these are great to have. Every household should have one of these. This is the Bissell Little Green Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. These are great. It's just $95 right now. And then last up, of course, all of your Amazon devices are great buys during this sale. They will be all-time low prices. A good example is this Kindle Paperwhite. This is their new version at just $125. But Fire TVs, Ring devices, the Echoes, all that stuff are the lowest prices they'll be all year. All right, those are my day one picks. Again, check this storefront page often throughout the day, throughout the event. I will keep this updated. Thank you so much to everyone that clicks through my links, keeps me making these videos, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.